How's it going, internet family? How's it going, internet family? I'm Ryan, and I have been hacking things my whole life. So today we are, that's not today, it's kind of like this morning, we are going to be looking at coasters on the Glowforge. So this is part of maybe a 5-video series where I examine, if you hear anything in the background, that's my 3D printers that are going. It's not a Glowforge. So I'm doing some skateboard lights right now. So I ordered these granite 4x4 coasters, and I am going to be etching photos on these for a gift and also making a video for you. So please subscribe if you have not subscribed, and hit the little bell so that you get notified when that happens. This is a potential really good money maker for you for your Glowforge side hustle. So even if you want to make gifts or birthday presents, etching someone's photo on granite, how cool is that? So we're going to do that later, but today we're going to be taking this old felt backpack and creating well, what the video title says, coasters from felt. So I have a series of videos that kind of just look at what you can cut on a laser cutter, specifically the Glowforge, how powerful it is, and just in general what you can do. So this is an old backpack that I don't need, so we're going to cut this backpack up. I know that some people are going to say, you know, like the backpack police are going to come in and say, why are you cutting that up? But you know what? There are so many promotional items that are not being used right now that why not just use them for other things? And what's more absorbent than felt? So the first video is just going to be about cutting 4x4 squares out. So what you'll get out of this video is the settings on the Glowforge for the coaster, the idea of making things out of other found objects, things that you get in the mail, packaging and stuff like that. And also let me catch my shop on fire so you don't have to. So here we go. I'm just going to be cutting. This backpack's actually not even that big to use for other things. So I'm going to save the zipper that's in the zipper for other things. So I'm going to cut the zipper out, and I have these really nice scissors. These scissors are by Scotch. I'm not a sponsor, but I just like these scissors, and of course they're the hackLAB red and gray and black colors. So alright, so where's that hole that I just put in here? There's lots of things I can hack from here. I can hack this strap. I can just, it's just lots of things, you know. It's just kind of just an exciting day, just a hacking day, you know. So what do you guys got going on, you know? So I've been hearing for some people, like I made a video on Glowforge the other day, and I'm just trying to cut this right here. Maybe I'll use my X-Acto knife. It's really cool Stanley fat mat. Trying to get this flat. Saving all the parts I need. So sometimes people give away promotional items. It just needs to be cut out. So here's one piece of felt. Now keep in mind, when we do this felt, we may need to tie that felt down. So, and then we're going to cut out the back right here. Anything that's flat. You know where a really good place to get objects to cut on a laser cutter is Goodwill, or your local St. Vincent de Paul place. That would be a great place to get that. So now I have, I can use this for other stuff, but I have 2 nice pieces of felt that I can cut and do the 4x4 squares. So let's go ahead and move over to the Glowforge. I'm using the Glowforge Plus a little bit more than the basic. I'm using the basic to do a lot of etching. The first Glowforge that I got. Someone asked me in the comments on another video that I was talking about earlier that I did on, and I'll link that up there, is the Glowforge Basic versus the Plus, and why I have two Glowforges, plural. And the reason is that I don't have much time in the evening to do this Glowforging laser cutting side business that I'm doing for gifts, and I'm doing it to help people out and for the show. So I wanted to maximize that, and honestly, so I have had the Glowforge just about a year and a half, and I've made a nice amount of referral income that you'll get if you purchase a Glowforge. So you can do that, and so it was a no-brainer. So I'm able to maximize the 3 to 4 hours I have in the evening after I come home from work for cutting things out on the laser cutter. So that answers that. Mainly it's to maximize my evening time, because I have 2 jobs. I have my day job, and I'm also a dad, and then I also have this nighttime fun thing that I'm doing. So let's go ahead and cut these out. All right, guys, here's the coaster, and here are my thoughts. So the etching took 9 minutes, okay, to get it like that, all right? Well, if you have any template system where you can add a little bit of paint, I'm kind of wondering that's a better choice. I do like how the edges were burnt into the felt, and I also like how, if you can see that, I like how the etching recessed the felt and burnt in the edge, so it's a pretty cool product. Love the fact that the laser melted the edge so that you're getting this cool refined product. But 9 minutes a piece, I need to tweak those settings. Let me go ahead and put the screen grab of the settings that I currently have up. I think I went to, let me just put those up. I don't have those, they're on another computer, but let me put these up on the screen. So here are my settings for the etching and for the cut. So I think you could probably maximize that. I'd like to get this down to 5 minutes a piece, because these would be, you know, cool gifts. But anyways, an absolute success. I think that I would make these with the laser cutter again, because I like the recessed nature. However, the smell, I don't know. There's a lot of new products that smell when you get them, but I guess I have to get used to it. It looks like I really burnt something in order to get this done, but they smell new. You know, a lot of times we're used to the new car smell, but this smells like a new coaster. Anyways, thanks for watching, and whatever you do, make something that connects you with someone else. Hey, take care, guys. And by the way, if you're interested in the Glowforge, you can get this referral coupon below that will save you a ton of money, and it will start you off on maybe some therapeutic crafting, maybe a side business. Maybe you just have always had another laser cutter, you want it to be easy. I'm not a Glowforge sponsor. I just get the referral kickback like you'll get when you get a laser cutter. So yeah, no, that's not it. That's not it. Glowforge.com/hacklab is my referral code that will save you either $500, $250, or $100. Thanks. Make it a great day. Whatever you do, make something that connects you with someone else. Take care, guys.